Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp Android. So first you just have to launch your WhatsApp application and then go to that specific message or conversation where you want to use your Meta AI. So once you have found that message or conversation, what you're going to do here is just go to the text box, for example this one, go to message and then type at Meta AI. So probably when you type this one, if this is available, then you should see a blue icon, Meta AI, and you can ask anything to it. You can even generate a picture or image using Meta AI. However, in case that you can't see this, then the first thing you should do is to go to your Google Play Store if you're using Android, of course, and then kind of type WhatsApp. So if you see an update button here, all you have to do is to click that one because actually this feature is already installed to a new feature or newest version of WhatsApp application. So after that, click open and go back to the message and then type add Meta AI again. However, if you can't still see this feature and you can't open this one or use this one, you have to go to Google web browser or to any web browser and then all you have to do is to type WhatsApp available country. Now, if your country is not here, unfortunately, all you have to do is to wait till this feature is or will be available in your country. So that's how easy it is to get Meta AI. You just have to update. If not, you just have to wait because maybe it's not yet available in your country, but will be available soon. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.